me pain. Say me sure say Ghana and Nigeria channels our heaven. Move up on each me. I mean, so person was three our heaven and we tune in at the beto Ghana because over three you. Name them so person oh share no man. A babu I don't want to be say. Paper to me I deal with. Now when they were tuning in to Nigeria because somebody there. The course one Nigeria no a boom movie be a match so and it has to do with Mohbad new war on the 12th of September 2023 and then a coroner's inquest no ye be say a day na a coup Mohbad almost want to me check we see let's also be me a subscribe button so now I click about notification icon so now if you follow ye Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, BBR, gossips24.com, any gossips24 TV. Now feel free so bet you do comment section or share video so I'm out for so any be I come for edu apart for Eddie Mouse, open plumbers, open tilers, open electricians, open warders, open graphic designers, open web designers, open video editors, open video graphics, open beauticians, and your my yeduma, open manai or deco dia more. Contacted my platform numbers that screen is no almost as well supervisor on base provider much said mano and what's it and send with your mokan say need my for ending come now it was on the 12th of September 2023 and I'm about to anam I want shadow me just a question be about timu and say it's your movie autopsy no it's Mohbad autopsy no movie na to what because as far back as Senkamra more Nigeria as far back as 27th of June 2023 and I'm Mohbad through a letter me just a letter no the entire Mohbad chose a letter video no who be social media so and man no Mohbad no a music video there's some Larry be pimo ho no be threaten so Mohbad show one letter the Lagos State Police omo anya ho hwe na Mohbad on the 12th of September ye tie se Mohbad that try no one said no fiti sa time ni na man for be say dey na ku no ye hwehwe mu na male mu na ku no why na ye ne dey omo na bibi ma no ye omo de ne ko hospital omo won pane bi omo hwehwe mu hwe say Mohbad e dey pane ku no because after 12th of September the kano se Kenya man for dey omo ya enka enkoba say a week after say Mohbad wu ye no omo ko sie no ansa na omo ko to Mohbad body no this omo ka kwaye ho autopsy. Now since then me show some for bisa say into results number and then no mo a coroner's inquest. Now coroner's inquest no session be a course or quarter coroner obi a sebe so obi wu na bia nipa ne wu no wu ye na su se bia nipa na fa natural way so no di wu ye na mo be bia obi na bo no obi na ku no obi na ye ni say ya ye ma coroner no be two body no na so kofa baby fi body no ho koye investigations ni ade what I say na o ma ye report e dia ba be chechim so ebia nipa simesi ene ku no no ende ba be ka court nti ende no bi ene court so e wo Lagos court e wo ho no mo say coroner ni be gina ho ni nkomo be boye ina ni say Mohbad no omuntumi nkire di ku no wo de obefi se me na me make up words ba yen konko tie lawyer ne ba ne ba ma be kire nsem ni mu e di a kire
according to him the cause of death cannot be determined because he gave a lot of reasons. He said by the time he conducted the test the body had discomposed and that it is not possible for them to determine the cause of death. So in summary, he's saying the cause of death cannot be what? Ascertained. And when you say the cause of death cannot be ascertained, means it is suspicious. It is not clear. No particular reason. But he also went further to say that it may be attributed to reaction to certain drugs administered on him before he died. Again, he then qualified that again to say he does not know whether it is those drugs that actually led to his death. So the other senior advocate mentioned, this is an inquiry into the cause and manner of death. The other fact that we are reviewing today concerning disagreement between Mohbad and his wife, and also the disagreement between Mohbad and the Samdari and all that. All of this came out today from the testimony of one of the witnesses. But what is important is that this pathologist has given his evidence today, and we have taken a day to cross-examine him, to ask him questions on the report. So until those questions are asked, we cannot say this is the outcome. I will just implore everybody to open their mind until we look at all the possibilities.
Sir, with the undefined results, or how do I put it? The doctors, the pathologists saying the
cause of death cannot be ascertained.
Don't you think that can spark the public? Don't you think they can react sharply to it?
No, the public should not react sharply to this yet. Because the man who gave evidence as the pathologist is an expert. Don't react until you have seen the full report. As I speak to you, I have not seen the full report. The court has advised that we should apply for the full report. When you see the full report, all of you can read it.
Yes.
So go and read first. If somebody says this is the final verdict, he must have reasons why he says so. So look at not only the final verdict, look at the reasons he gave for arriving at that final verdict before you react. You, the press, you have a lot of role to play in informing the public about what is going on here. The coroner here has an open mind. All the lawyers here are working to ensure that we get to the bottom of this matter. And until that, until we arrive at our destination, we will not rest. Please don't escalate the matter in the public space. The inquiry is still on. We will have to senior advocate of Nigeria.
Somebody and can say, Emma Cohen and the Begina court demon. Media twin writing from Senabe Ocean crowd to me. Emma Cohen and the Begina demono. Cohen and no establish here say, oh, Omutu Mohbad body no. 1 week after say Mohbad no. A wee. And no cry no more see Mohbad. Area and son of Mukoko two body no. Again, so no. Oma check body no who be bia ba akum yeru bi ni ade to the liver ni ade enti Mohbad papa mpo de o ma ni PF court dem because no person bet na no ahwe bia de omo tu fi Mohbad ho what say bia na be ni ya ni ade enti de o ma Mohbad papa ekotena nche eno mu ni corona ne bo amane se otutu Mohbad ho ewie no mo hu say na no wesie Mohbad a chenti no na test ni bi wo ho a enhye da mfasa. But there are few things we to me establishing. One, any say Mohbad na nyo bia na poison no. Any one. Two, any say na man for ka say Mohbad kra na moja ewo na daka no mu nti no e bia omu sie no eniamo no. O say dey bi omu ye test omu say Mohbad omu nsi ne eniamo na mum Mohbad wu yansa omu sie no. Nempo no sa moja na man for ka no. Enchiremu o kakra che say before some bekoko to Mohbad body no. Na dey say insu ato. Na insuo ato nti insuo na eto ye na efra egu Mohbad body ni so match say ni moja kakra bi nyu ye a efra nyane kakra e na manfo hu wo videos mu so omo se Mohbad na onwu ye na omo hwe se moja kra wadaka no insuo na eto ye na kofa sa kala no e de ba ye sa no nti no de enye Mohbad moja bia na say na Mohbad no ewu ansa na omu sie no na test o ma carry che say Mohbad ne sebe obi an poison no and after Mohbad ne sebe ene so obi mia ne kon ene oku no and after Mohbad no obi ensie no eniamo no na emom no muntumi nkire ade kopoti a eku Mohbad no we say hey Nigeria is interesting omuntumi nkire ade kopoti eku no no betumi a kire say no money na man for castle obi na won the panye obi ye man obi na man do boni man no ye emia no kon for se na sheda kun no wuye no and you betumi a chemu se nyesa bia de sie no we try to live and any kidney na dia test o ma hwe ne kon ni na bibia sa ankyere na mum di adekopoti yeku no se Mohbad wu natural o se nye natural o de omudo mutumi kire. But you know, this will only happen not just in Nigeria, but in Africa. In Africa. This miracle will only happen here. Because there's an article from A&E, right? They say this article from A&E, you know, actually how our man for binomo systems is here Dumasifa. And this particular story, we checking it out. It's about lady be a friend of Noreen. What I say, no, Barrington or Illinois. Nikunu ka say, ni we through car kunsha, and this happened in the year 1973. 40 years after, a man no more investigations into choir lady the first year. 40 years after, no more see lady 40 years after, omuko two lady the body no. And determine say, lady nenya car kunsha ne kuno. Nemum no, ne ku di ade bubo body trim, ema ni we. In that same article on AETV, no, check it. There was another test on we ya. Now, Branty, we don't know the charges are born no musio. The victim said back 15. Omuko to two bodies nibi. And this story is about Harold Shipman. I'm here just a movie na mo follow crime stories no. Mo be dia dance here. Omuko two bodies nibi no mu hu ye say. Sir Shipman no. The victims no. Are you over 200? And ye 15. What I say? So to think say here in Africa no, obetumi ko jina court akoka say oh, as for side number way am boss say dey ku Mohbad here. Ye checks no. Ye hu say nye no bia dey ku Mohbad. Na mama the property ye ku Mohbad ni dey. Ye ntumi nche. Aha Gossips 24. Oh Africa say ya. What I say? Obi fa kwan boni so bi di ku a. We ku free, especially say we ni come for. What's a mere mobile? Magraheb.